I am Jack Martin, global artist from Los Angeles. This is Retouch Blending from our new service, French Blending. We are going from helmet effect and harsh demarcation to a seamless natural regrowth and multidimensionality. This is our starting point for today's service. We want to blend that root and connect it with the soft face framing to highlight her features. To soften the demarcation, I will be using ENOA 6+6.1 with 20 volume. Sectioning is one of the keys for French blending. Here, I'm gonna separate the front from the back and start application from the back. I'm working with a shade one level lighter to start softening the root regrowth application after application. I want to go closer to her natural hair and reduce the strong contrast during grow out. Today, we are doing a proper take-through using DLI 7.01 with a 6-volume developer. Let me give you a pro tip. For a dimensional and more personalized result, use 2 DLI shades. I'm applying the shade on the full head. The point of using DLI is to avoid color overload leading to a darker color and over-processed length and ends. For a smooth transition, work the roots into the length and ends with your fingers. Shampoo the hair with a Vitamino color spectrum to protect the color. Retouch Blending is designed for loyal clients who want to space out their appointments and soften the harsh demarcation band, all with sufficient coverage. French Blending is the new innovative pro way to cover.